Hello there, Veena here from digitalaccesspass.com, and in this video I'll show you how you can install a clean version of DAP and LiveLinks plugin in case your site gets hacked and you want to start with a fresh installation, but you don't want to lose your users or products, but you want a clean installation of the DAP files and LiveLinks files. You cannot just delete the DAP folder and install a new version, because when you do that, you're going to lose the DAP config file, and without the DAP config file, DAP will not know how to connect to your database. So you're going to end up with errors on your site. So you cannot just delete the DAP files. There are a few things you need to do to install a clean version of DAP. So let me show you what you need to do. So if you want to do a clean installation of DAP and completely remove your DAP folder and install a new version, you cannot do it using the Easy Installer plugin, because Easy Installer will simply overwrite existing files with the new ones, but it's not going to delete the DAP folder. So here I'm going to show you how to do this using File Manager on your web hosting cPanel, because it's really easy to do it this way. So first thing you need to do is download the latest version of DAP and LiveLinks plugin to your desktop. Okay, so you say that now you have the two zip files, the DAP zip file and the LiveLinks zip file. Next, click on File Manager, then find the root folder of your website. So upload the DAP zip file at the same level to the same place where you already have DAP. So DAP is here. So I'm going to click on Upload and upload the DAP zip file right there. So I'm going to find the file in my desktop. This is the zip file. Done. Now I have a DAP zip file uploaded. Come back to the File Manager and reload, and you should find the DAP zip file here. So as you can see, the DAP zip file is right here. So next, instead of deleting the DAP folder, just rename it, because you don't want to lose the config file which is in this DAP folder. So first thing you need to do is just rename this folder. So let's say we call it DAP_backup. Now ultimately we are going to delete that folder, but we are not going to delete it yet, because we still need the DAP config file and another file which is in this folder. So we have renamed it now. Now there is no more DAP folder at the root folder of your website. Now I'm going to extract the contents of the zip file. So just right click, click on extract, and then extract it to the root folder. Then now if you refresh this, the DAP folder should be back here. So you can see DAP is back here, but this DAP does not have config file, so it's not going to work. So if you try to access DAP on your website, it's not going to work. So now you got to go back to the DAP backup folder, and here look for DAP config file, and then right click and say move, and move it to the DAP folder. So now it's going to move it to the DAP folder. So it's gone from here, it's moved to the DAP folder. Now you will find another file in the DAP folder. It's called DAP_permalink_dump_php. Now this is another file you need to move to the main DAP folder. So find it and then right click and again click on move and move it to the DAP folder. That's it. So now the DAP folder has everything it needs. So now make sure that these files were moved correctly. So find your DAP folder at the root folder of your website and see if DAP config file is here now. So you can see DAP config file is here, and the DAP permalink dump file, it should be here as well, right here. So now these files are here. So before you delete the backup folder, access your website, access DAP on your website from your WordPress admin, see if the DAP admin dashboard loads correctly without any issues. And if everything looks good, then don't forget to remove the DAP_backup folder, because you already have the clean version here. So you no longer need this old version. So delete it, but only delete it after you log into your website to WordPress admin, to DAP admin. And if everything looks fine and you don't see any errors, then you can come here and remove this. So don't forget to remove this folder when you're done. And to remove this folder, simply right click and click on delete, and then you can delete these files and folder permanently. But when it comes to LiveLinks, you don't have to worry about any of that, because LiveLinks doesn't have any config file. So you can just find the DAP LiveLinks folder on your website and just right click and delete it. And then you can simply upload the new version and extract the content. So this is really easy. So let me show you how to do this here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on delete to delete this version. Now I'm going to upload the new version. Now I'm going to go back and reload. So the zip file is here. Now I can right click and extract. So now you can see LiveLinks is here. Now I'm doing all this in the plugins folder. So plugins folder is where I have the DAP LiveLinks. So wherever I have the DAP-WP LiveLinks in the same level, in the same folder, I uploaded the zip file, then I extracted the contents of the zip file. And so you can just delete the old version and install the new zip file and extract it right there, and it won't cause any problems. That's it. Now once you're done with this, again check your website, make sure everything is good, and that's it. My name is Veena Prashant. Thanks for watching.